Here we have a selection of factorisation and removal of brackets. In the case of this first one, the factorisation involves just one bracket where we take out a common factor. Now that common factor here is 5 because 5 goes into both of those numbers. Now 5 goes into 10 twice and 5 goes into 35 7 times. However, the 10 was linked to a letter Q, so the 2 is linked to the letter Q. We've got a minus sign before the 35, so we've got a minus sign before the 7. Question finished. Part B, removal of brackets. So now do the reverse. So whereas the 10 came from 5 times 2, here 6 times the 5, we have 30. Letter X, letter X. Plus sign, so put a plus sign down, and then we've got the 6 times the 8, we have 48. Question finished. Part C, a more complicated expansion. Here we've got 2k times the k. Well, k times k is k squared, but I've got a 2 in front of that, 2k squared. 1 times the 1 is 1. It's a minus times a minus though, so it's a plus 1. We've got 1 times k, or should I say minus 1 times k. I've got minus 1k. And I've got 2 times minus 1, I've got minus 2k. The only thing that ever tallies up with these style of questions is the middle part. Minus 1k minus 2k is minus 3k. Plus 1 on the end, plus 1 on the end. Question finished. In the last question, setup is very similar to the last one. I'm doing the reverse, going from that back to the brackets, and initially x squared, x times x, that's the easy part. However, 18 can be written as 1 times 18, so it could be 1 in there, it could be 18 in there. It could be written as 2 times 9, or it could be written as 3 times 6. And by trial and error, you pick one of those and try it out. Now, if I try the 2 and the 9, 2 in there and 9 in there, this one will actually work out. 2 times the x is 2x. X times the 9 is 9x. Now the number in the middle says minus 7. Now with these two quantities, I can get minus 7 as long as the 9 is a minus and I add 2. That will give us minus 7x. So this factorisation will work with those two numbers as long as the 9 is a minus and the 2 is a plus. Question finished. If these numbers did not work, I would have probably tried the 3 and 6. So remove the 2 and 9 and try the 3 and 6. However, 2 and 9 did work.